Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda Metropolitan motor scooter. 50 cc's, fuel injected, beautiful condition. We just got this from its original owner with 10,900 miles. The thing is in beautiful condition, runs awesome. Come on by, make your Metro dreams come true for just $19.99. Automatic transmission, well over 100 miles per gallon. She'll do about 35 plus miles per hour. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.